for the first time we have a loading screen in a Ratchet Clank game. That's because we in this game travel through space. And that's awesome.
Quark, come in. Do you read me?
It's good to hear your voice, Ratchet. They've got us in these containment cells and they're coming with food. Oh, thank heaven they're coming with tap water? You animals.
Would you just listen to me? I need you to activate the nav beacon on your belt. Can you do that? Good. Now hang tight. I'm on my way.
Yay.
Warning. Hostile ships detected. Point of origin appears to be the same as Captain Quark's nav beacon.
Time to kick some ass in space. Yay, skill point already. Skill point, base. Yay, collect every zonie for a special surprise.
Quark, I'm at the ship. Where are they holding you?
I don't know. It's a big cell with some sort of containment field. Oh, it smells like my high school gym locker.
All right, maintain radio silence. I'll contact you when I'm inside.
Gravity boots.
Breach detected. Did install repair loss. Dispatching engineer.
Attention, troopers. We have just learned that the rebel azimuth has escaped our troops once again. I have spoken with Dr. Abel.
Turning bolt cranks like a boss.
50,000 volts. Tagged. I am now
Fred, is that you? Azimuth has escaped. You owe me 5 volts.
Hyperspace fueling module released.
Attention, troopers. This is a reminder that no one is to execute the prisoners until we have extracted the location of the rebel azimuth. Also, we will be serving fried.
Okay, this is going pretty well. I wonder why our bolts here, but oh well. And these guys can fuse, so we better kill them before they fuse. Not that the fuse, the thing they do is stronger. I don't think they can easily be killed. shit. Let me go to the vendor first. Oh, Mr. Zircon is already on sale. Yeah, because I have the save data from the first game. We got it. Let's go.
Mr. Zircon is the perfect companion for spontaneous treks through hostile alien environments. Uh-oh, looks like these guys are hungry for Lombax soup. Well, not to worry. Just deploy you, Mr. Zircon, and he'll target any hostile entity.
Mr. Zircon is looking to kill you.
Hey, the eloquent. Mr. Zircon, available only at GrummelNet.
Yay.
Welcome back.
Come forth, Mr. Zircon. Oh shit. Give me them bolts. I'm a bolts addict. Oh, leveled up again. Great. Yeah. Where did that guy come from? Oh, there's so many of them. Oh. More ammo in this weapon. Only now I noticed that. Wait just a second, my mom is calling. I need to stop recording for a minute. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. My mom is always ruining all the fun. Give me the bolts so I can proceed. Is this a holoplan? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, most certainly it is.
Quark, give me a status update.
This guy forces on Gates business. He says he'll kill us if we don't give up Alistair Azimuth.
Who is Alistair Azimuth?
I don't know, some rebel.
Okay, I think
All
I have
right,
something
well, find
better.
out what you can. If he's an enemy of
Maybe
Nefarious,
some
he might be a
boxes.
friend to
Yeah.
us.
Damn it. Can't believe I was hit by those guys. Oh crap! Ah, I didn't know that there wasn't floor here. I thought the floor continued. Oh my god, that was a big fail. Miserable fail. Oh crap, there's one of those big guys over there. Oh, come on, fire at that thing. Damn it. I need to go up there, but I'm going to grab these bolts. And now I'm going up there. Aye.
Secondary hyperspace fueling module released. Third hyperspace fueling module released.
I did it.
Power failure detected in auxiliary server room.
Attention, troopers! I don't want to put fingers, but someone take over last night's episode of Lance and Janice. The trooper responsible, eject yourself out the airlock immediately. Thank you.
Any minute now. Bam, opening. I think we're going to fight Porcelain pretty soon. Not sure though.
Detention wing? Wow. I can't believe that worked.
What was that?
Nothing.
Insolent creature! Give me the location of the rebel.
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
We don't know! That wasn't Azimuth! It was just a young love! It's the Green One's sidekick! We're saved!
I knew you'd come for us.
It's good to see you, Ratchet. Now we need to find a way out. What's your name? The child. Hurl yourself into this laser wall as hard as you can.
Hey, mister, what about the Versafuse? If you pull it out, it might lower the field.
We did it! Everyone follow me! I'll get us out of here.
Stay quiet. We don't want to set off the alarm.
Quark actually does something useful in this game. Incredible, isn't it?
Alright, let's go. For the buddy system.
Probably I should have used the bombs.
The bridge is out. It's out!
Mr. Zircon, kill.
Yes, well done. I almost had to hurl you all to safety myself.
the prisoners must not escape.
Let me get them bolts.
I'll open the doors. You get the Fungoids to safety.
Okay, anybody need to use the bathroom? I don't want to leave the loading bay and then hear one of you has to go.
Mr. Zircon is good.
The unfortunate viewer says there's a manual switch somewhere in that room. Check the grav ramp.
Loading bay doors are open. Launching escape vessel in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, Mr. Zircon is reloading.
Computer, perform a bioscan across the entire ship. I want to know how those reasons.
Bioscan indicates one small max life form.
Welcome.
It's time for the escape.
Computer, ready my best next.
Aphelion! They've blocked my escape route. Meet me in the lower deck landing bay.
Affirmative. ETA 30 seconds.
I don't know why they tell me the health is full. I think I get it, but
Alright, Chief. What can we...
I've already amassed some bolts. I think we're heading into a boss fight.
Pitiful creature. You've meddled Dr. Nefarious' plans for the last time. Prepare to be killed by... Wait for it. Lord Vorsalon!
When he says wait for it, it instantly reminds me of Bart. It instantly what was, oh, I know. It instantly remembers me of Barney Stinson from How I Met Your Mother. That guy is epic. And I'm playing like a noob. Damn it.
Now you see me? You are messing with Lord Vorsalon.
Why aren't you killing Zircon? Oh damn it. That's a penis. Where's the ammo? It just oh, it was to Zircon. Okay, might as well use this. For a moment, I thought I was going to die. Damn it. Oh wait, I won? Yeah.
Ratchet, great news. The chief
Let's
says
head
Dr.
out.
Azimuth lives on Torin 4 in the Vela sector. I'm uploading coordinates to your ship now. In the meantime, I'll stay with the Fungoids and find out what else they know about Azimuth. Work out.
It's running time, homies.